All right, I know you have done many of these expand vocabulary assignments before, but here's a few reminders. Capitalize the first letter of your sentences. Include punctuation. Okay, so it's good practice for how you write good sentences. And then also really think about what it means. Sometimes I feel like we just copy and paste the definition without really understanding it. I'm fine if you copy and paste the definition, but you should work to understand what it is telling you. Okay? If that means you need to ask me, ask me. If that means you need to look it up on a different website, look it up on a different website. Do what it takes to actually understand what these words mean so that we can begin to add them to our vocabulary and understand them when we come across them in books. That's why we want to expand our vocabulary, because the more words we know, the more books that we can enjoy. I added this on the vocabulary last week, but I want to remind you that I added a link to a dictionary that might have a slightly easier definition than the one that the Google dictionary comes up with. So, inquisitive, given to asking and inquiring, eager to learn. So maybe you don't know what inquiring means. So we think, okay, given to asking, eager to learn. Okay, a synonym is curious. Okay, that gives me a good clue for what it means. They want to know something. They want to learn. They're interested in things. All right? And then read the sentence they give you. Not so you can put that exact same sentence, but hopefully it can give you an idea so that you can come up with your own sentence. Okay? Again, looking at those synonyms can be a really helpful tool, because then think, okay, how could I use curious in a sentence? And then can I replace it with inquisitive? Okay? I am here to help, so let me know. Make sure you write the sentence as well as put the definition. Remember, you only have to do the first 4, and then if you want to do all or some of the second 4, go for it. All right? Good chance to practice learning some new words. You can do it.